Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਆ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬੋਰਡ ਯੂਨਿਟ 8 ਐਟਮਸ ਐਂਡ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਆਈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ MCQs ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਐਕੂਰੇਟ ਤੋਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ 7 ਯੂਨਿਟਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਾ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ MCQs ਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣੇ ਸਾਰੇ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ MCQs 'ਤੇ। ਸਿੱਧਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੀ ਬੋਲੂੰਗੀ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਣੀ। ਪੂਰੇ 125 MCQs ਹੋਣਗੇ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ, ਓਕੇ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ MCQs ਦੇਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਫਸਟ MCQ ਆ, ਐਟਮ ਬੋਂਬ ਵਰਕਸ ਔਨ ਦ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਆਫ। ਆਨਸਰ ਇਜ਼ A, nuclear fission. Next, the energy equivalent of one atomic mass unit is C, 931 m electron volt. Next, which of the following is used as moderator in nuclear reactor? Answer is B, heavy water. Next, the binding energy per nucleon is maximum in case of B, iron. Next, an atom bomb works on the principle of nuclear fission. Next, a deuteron is bombarded on oxygen 816 nucleus, then alpha particle is emitted. The product nucleus is. Answer is A, 7 nitrogen 14. Next, in nuclear transformation, AXB plus 0 N1 gives lithium plus helium. Which one is the nucleus of element X? A, boron. Next, when 3 lithium 7 is bombarded by a proton and the resultant nuclei are beryllium 48 and emitted particle is B, beta particle. Next, a nucleus AXM emit 1 alpha particle and 2 beta particles. The resulting nucleus is D, NXM-4. Next, the average binding energy per nucleus of a nucleon inside an atomic nucleus is about A, 8 MeV. 11th है the least penetrating radiations are C, alpha rays. Next, after 1 alpha and 2 beta emissions, A, mass number reduces by 2. Next question is, which of the following are most penetrating radiations? Answer is B, gamma rays. Next, the energy equivalent to mass of an electron is A, 0.511 MeV. Next, the energy equivalent to mass of neutron is D, 939.57 MeV. Next, a chain reaction is continuous due to C, production of more neutrons. Next, complete the following nuclear reaction. B 5B10 plus ZXA gives 3 lithium 7 plus 2 helium 4. Answer ਇਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ A, Z0 ਆ ਤੇ A1 ਹੈ. Next, what is the source of stellar energy, or name the phenomena by which energy is produced in sun? Answer is B, nuclear fusion reaction. Next, a radioactive element has half-life period 800 years. After 6400 years, what amount will remain? Answer is D, 1/256. Next is, in Rutherford scattering experiment, what will be the correct angle for scattering for an impact parameter B is equal to 0? D, 180 degree. Next, how are average life, T average and decay constant lambda related? Answer is D, T average is equal to 1 upon lambda. What is the Bohr's quantization condition for angular momentum of an electron in the second orbit? Answer is A, mv is equal to nh upon 2 pi r. ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ long question ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, what is Bohr's quantization condition ਤੇ. Next question is, name the series of hydrogen spectrum lying in the ultraviolet region. Answer is A, Lyman. Next, give the relation between AMU and MEV. Answer is D. 1 AMU equal to 931 MeV. Next, define half-life of a radioactive substance. Answer is B. The half-life of radioactive substance is the time during which nuclei of half ions atoms disintegrate. What would happen if the electron in an atom were stationary? It will fuse with nucleus. Next question. Which of the following particles has similar mass to that of electron? Proton. Positron, not proton. Answer is positron. Next, if an electron jumps from first orbit to third orbit, it will absorb energy. Next, the angular momentum of the electron in the second Bohr orbit is B. h upon pi. Next, which of the following represents electronic mass? A. 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Next, for an atom having atomic number Z and atomic weight A, the number of neutrons in the nucleus is D. A minus C. Next, the angular momentum of electron in nth orbit is given by C. nh upon 2 pi. Next, the ionization energy of 10 times ionized sodium atom is D. 13.6 into 11 raised to 2 electron volt. Next question is the nature of ions knocked out from hot surfaces is C. Electrons. Next, the typical ionization energy of a donor in silicon is C. 0.1 electron volt. Next, the mass of proton is of the order 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Next, charge on a neutron is D. 0. Next, density of nucleus is of the order C. 10 raised to 14 gram per centimeter cube. Next, the lightest particle among neutron, proton and alpha particle is B. Proton. Next question is neutron was discovered by. Answer is D. Chadwick. Next, the stable nucleus that has radius half that of iron 56 is D. Lithium 7. Next, the mass density of a nucleus varies with mass number A as C. Constant. Next, radioactive radiation in order of increasing penetrating power are C. Alpha, beta, gamma. A QD is a unit of answer is A. Radioactivity. Next, Roentgen is the unit of D. Radioactive radiation. Next, radioactivity was discovered by C. Becquerel. Next, the plum pudding model of atoms was proposed by Thomson. Next, the charge on electron and proton is reduced. What will the new Rydberg constant? Answer is R upon 16. Next question. Total energy of electron orbiting around the nucleus in the ground state of atom is answer less than 0. Next, who introduced the concept of atomic nucleus? Answer is D. Rutherford. Next, Thomas atom model failed to explain. Answer C. Both A and B. Large angle scattering of alpha particles and region of spectral line in the spectrum of hydrogen atom. Next, the probability of backward scattering of alpha particles from gold foil as predicted by Thomas model is A. Much less. Next, the average angle of deflection of alpha particles by a thin gold foil predicted by Thomson's model is C. about the same as predicted by Rutherford's atom model. Next, in Rutherford atomic model, size of atomic nucleus is A. 10 raised to minus 14 meter to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Next, for head-on collision of an alpha particle with gold nucleus, impact parameter must be B. 0. Next, Rutherford's scattering experiment shows that every atom contains D nucleus. Next, Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment concluded that C. There is a heavy mass at the center of every atom. Next, how many electrons in a third shell can accommodate? B. 18. Next, the discrete line spectrum of hydrogen specifies that B. Energy levels of hydrogen are discrete. Next, wavelength in a spectrum is inversely proportional to. Answer is A. Difference in energy levels. Next, the electron in Bohr's orbit has A. Kinetic energy greater than potential energy. Next, according to Bohr's theory, the radius of orbit of electron is proportional to D. N squared upon Z. The hydrogen atom can give spectral lines in the series Lyman, Balmer and Paschen. Which of the following statement is correct? B. Balmer series is in visible region. Next, what is the binding energy of hydrogen nucleus? Answer is B. 13.6 electron volt. Next, electron emits energy when shifting from B. Higher orbit to lower orbit. Next, which quantity is expressed as nh upon 2 pi? Answer is D. Angular momentum. Next, Planck constant has dimension as. Answer is angular momentum. Next, the color of the second line of Balmer series is. Answer is A. Green. Next, the ratio of minimum wavelength of Lyman and Balmer series is D. 0.25. Next, which of the following radiation series is found in visible region? Answer Balmer. Next question is mass of a proton is. Answer is D. Mass of the proton is 1.00727 U. C answer. Next, in helium nucleus there are C. 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Next, which of the following pair is an isobar? Answer is D. Phosphorus 1530 and silicon 1430. Next, the volume of nucleus is directly proportional to A. Next, which of the following quantities for a nucleus is independent of its mass number? A. Density. Next, Rutherford's atomic model could not account for C. Positively charged central core of atom. Next, nuclear force NP and NPP are A. Approximately the same. Next, when distance between two nucleons in a nucleus is more than 0.8 Fermi, nuclear forces are A. Attractive. Next, choose the wrong statement. Answer is D. Nuclear forces are central forces. Next, Meson theory of nuclear forces was given by. Answer is B. Yukawa. Next, the nuclear force is a short range force. Next, which of the following is the weakest force? Answer is A. Gravitational force. Next, what fraction of a radioactive material will get disintegrated in a period of 2 half-lives? Answer is D. 3/4. Next, the atomic number and mass number of an atom remains unchanged when it emits A. photon. Next, carbon dating is best suited for determining the ages of fossils if their age in years is of the order. Answer is B. 10 raised to 4. Next, in a nuclear reaction there is a conservation of Answer is D. Mass, energy and momentum all. Next, source of sun's energy is. Answer is C. Fusion reaction involving hydrogen. Next question is heavy water is used as moderator in nuclear reaction. The function of the moderator is. Answer is D. To slow down the neutrons to thermal energies. Answer is function of controlling rod in nuclear reactor is to. Answer is absorb neutrons. Next, which one of the following is most fissionable? Answer is B. Plutonium. Next, the percentage of fissionable mass in uranium 235 is C. 0.7%. Next, the particles that are exchanged in weak interaction are C. Bosons. According to Rutherford's atomic model, the electrons inside the atom are B. Not stationary. Next, an alpha particle of energy 5 MeV is scattered through 180 degree by a fixed uranium nucleus. The distance of closest approach is of the order C 10 raised to minus 12 centimeter. Next, an electron in a hydrogen atom moves from N1 to N2 state if time period of the electron in the initial state is 8 times that of final state, then the possible values of N1 and N2 are B. N1 equal to 4 and N2 equal to 2. Next, spectral series of hydrogen atom was given by. Answer is Niels Bohr. Next, whenever a hydrogen atom emits a photon in Balmer series, answer is C. It must emit another photon in Lyman series. Next, 1 AMU is equal to. Answer is D. 1.67 and 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Next question, the number of neutrons in uranium 92-235 nucleus is. Answer is D. 143. Next question, a nucleus represented by the symbol has C. Z protons and A minus Z neutrons. Next, elements having different atomic number as well as different mass number but same number of neutrons are B. Isotones. Next, which of the following quantities has the same dimension as those of Planck's constant? Answer हैगा A. Angular momentum. Next is the ground state energy of electron in case of lithium is C. minus 30.4 electron volt. Next, the order of velocity of electron in ground state of hydrogen atom is B. 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Next, the ratio of radii of orbits corresponding to first and second excited states of hydrogen atom is D. 4:9. Next, the ionization potential of hydrogen atom is D. 13.6 electron volt. Next, the series of hydrogen spectrum which lies in visible region is Balmer series. Next, the total energy of electron in nth stationary orbit of hydrogen atom is B. 13.6 upon n square electron volt. Next, the value of Rydberg constant is B. 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 meter inverse. Next, the correct relation for impact parameter where symbols have their usual meaning is A. ZE square cot theta upon 2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into E. Next, according to Bohr's principle, the relation between principal quantum number n and radius of orbit is. Answer is B. R is directly proportional to n square. Next, when a hydrogen atom is raised from the ground state to an excited state, answer is B. The potential energy increases and kinetic energy decreases. Next, the shortest wavelength in the Balmer series is A 1572 nm, B 1898 nm, C 2278 nm, D 2535 nm. Answer is C 2278 nm. Next, the angular speed of electrons in the nth orbit of Bohr's hydrogen atom is D. Inversely proportional to n cube. Next, in the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, the lowest orbit corresponding to corresponds to? Answer is C, minimum energy. Next, a positron has the same mass as electron. Alpha particle. Positron has the same mass as alpha particle. Next is an electron emitted in beta radiation originates from? C, decay of a neutron in a nuclei. Next, complete the series. Helium gives electron plus lithium plus, answer is B, antineutrino. Next, the equation 4 1 1 helium plus gives 4 2 helium 2 plus 2 electron plus 26 MeV represents? Answer is C, fusion. Next, which of the following is the strongest force? Answer is C, nuclear force. Next, nuclear fission can be explained by? C, liquid drop model of nucleus. Next, what would happen if the electron in an atom were stationary? It will fuse with nucleus. Next, which one of the following is not fissionable? B, plutonium. Next, 1H1 plus 1H1 plus 1H2 gives X plus 1E0 plus energy. The emitted particle is? Answer is C, alpha particle. ठीक है, ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ MCQs, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ MCQs ਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਨੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਰ ਕੀਤੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 8th ਆ ਇਹਦੇ MCQs। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਲੇਲਿਸਟ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ MCQs ਕਰਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਐਰੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਆ ਇਹਦਾ ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇਖੋ, ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਇਓ ਕਿਤੇ, ਦੱਸਿਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਲੱਗੀ। ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਓ, ਅਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਾਇਓ। ਓਕੇ, ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆਊਗਾ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਡਿਵਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਉਹ ਲਾਸਟ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਹੈ ਇਹਦਾ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਕੈਮਿਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ। ਓਕੇ, ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ।